You're right. I don't know anything. Except this. You, me, every contestant. I think everyone we ever met on this show who's not a machine, and even the very ship we're standing on, all have one thing in common.
Yeah? And what's that?
We were all generated through me life. See, I may not know how real any of us are, but Cobbs?
This is definitely fake.
What?
Unfortunately, there's not gonna be a winner.
If everyone's eliminated...
Oh, looky here! Oh, it's a wire! I am the perfect assistant!
Oh, you idiot! Stop! Stop!